what I like to do for me, it's really easy to create a visual based off hearing a song because when I see a visual, you can incorporate motion. Like, okay, I'm thinking of a bird, obviously. Okay, like okay, I'm thinking of a bird. So like the bird has motion, right? The bird has like these longer movements and this floating movement, and that you incorporate that with any form that you got, and then like the visual just helps with the movement because you can relate the visual to a movement. Big shout outs to all current Gloving Academy Patreon subscribers. Here they are. Thank you so much for all the support. Seriously, guys. The Patreon's got weekly educational and never before seen content, so if you want to take your gloving to the next level and learn from me, come join the Gloving Academy Patreon. My goal with this video was to work on my energy for the buildups and drops while trying to keep things as clean as possible by connections and pathing being the focus. Musicality seems to be okay with this song. But it's a couple times we're all progressing concept continuation. So we're focusing on energy buildups. The quality was okay. So I think we're looking at just overall energy. Digging it, digging it. Clean, bro. Oh my god, this song. Okay. That was a good hit right there. Way more technical than before, bro. Good stuff. The level ups are there. This is hella level ups. Okay, it dies down here. Okay. I don't know. We could have died. We could have completely gotten out of the form, but it's okay. Nice little hit with the wings there. Bap, bap. We're building here, we're building. It kind of feels like you're stuck in the text still right here. We're building, we're building. We're building, but we're already in it, you know what I mean? Okay, here you catch that part with the building, okay. What do you do? This part really matches. Ooh! Yo, you're cake tutting, yo. For real. That's a good placement there for that segment. Yeah, dude. Altoh, huge freaking level ups, brother. Yo, like that was probably the best submission you ever sent me, yo. For real. And that's like probably like this is like the second or third time we're looking over Altoh's vids, and yeah, huge level ups. I did think that there were moments where it felt like you were still stuck in the tech. I think in terms of like where the energy was placed, you got like I would say probably like 70 to 80% of in my opinion, like the energy compared to like the musicality was on point, like around 70 to 80 perhaps. I feel like you could have gone harder. I feel like you need to test your ear within the musicality altogether though. Like sure you did some moves, like you changed concepts at like the right times, but like there were a lot of sounds in that song that I just wish that you would have hit, like a lot. So you have to like listen to this song, how many things are going on in the background. And then once you are able to like really like hear those things, then you're able to like really select, okay, what concept should I do for this part of the song while keeping track? Like, okay, I already did that, right? So segmenting your moves even more. I thought that you segmented your moves like on a macro, like what I'm talking about, like when you did the whip segments when it picked up, you kind of caught yourself in the build-ups, things like that. But then there are like smaller sounds in the music where it's like you should have been hitting that regardless of what part you are, like what you are in terms of structure in your move pool, right? So let's kind of go back to, you have to slow down a ton to focus on my connections. Yeah. That's a good thing though, bro. Like your connections is way like at a higher caliber in this video than compared to all your other videos. So let's listen to the music, because we're gonna be talking. I think we're mainly focusing on the. I didn't know what your. I look at your thing. My goal of this video is to work on energy for build-ups and drops. Okay, that's the thing that we're focusing on. Trying to keep as clean as possible. Okay, we're gonna be thinking about connections and your energy with the song. Like here, you hear this. You hear the snare, right? Bah, bah. Like you don't have to hit every single one, but like it's there, so you should acknowledge it, right? But you're easing in, which is good. Here you could like we went through like one part of the song. So this will be intro, right? And pick up, boom, right there. You could have picked up even more, right? You're still in the beginning part of your intro. You could have picked it up even more here. Boom, 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 right? It's picking up, pick it up. Like that part. Boop, 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 boop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Where is it? Where is it? It's not there. It's not present. It's not present. You gotta hit the whoop, 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 whoop. You gotta hit that, man. It's a missed opportunity through the sound. Yes, it was a missed opportunity for the sound. It's like, it's present throughout this entire thing, and that's the main part of the sound, but you're going through the pacing of your show. Like, yeah, you picked it up, but you gotta utilize that beat somehow. Like that part too. You see, this is what I mean by you have to practice your ear, because that's there. You gotta hit that. Oh, I like that. He does like a little bounce. Boom. Sick. Guys, don't be afraid to limit test your speed. If I were to hit this song, okay, we're at 47 seconds. Okay, whatever, okay. Okay, we're in the build up. We're in the build up. don't be afraid to do like glitchy movements. That was my really bad example, by the way. But don't be afraid to go fast like that. Don't be afraid to be glitchy. Like, don't be safe, guys. Don't be safe. You gotta go fast. It's like, I can tell you're trying to be disciplined in your movements, but the song calls for you to go faster. You get flash. This is a hard song. Like, it's like like there's a lot going on. You know, there's not any like bigger secondary movement because it's like right. You hear that part? Like, listen. Right. I would say like in those bigger parts, like right. Like, let me play that song. Like, okay. Move. Right. So I wanted to see more like bigger grid usage with those bigger beats, basically. Like here again, here. Like you're in the tech, right? You're in the tech. And then the song slows down, boom. It's a new part of the song, but you're still like in the same form. This part is really good though. Actually, I might take this back because I want to see a different, like, you know, like there's like a brief pause there. So I want you to implement the pause somehow. Because it looks like a run-on sentence. So you need some sort of texture in your movement. Right? But you're still in it, right? You know what I mean? I dig this part though. I like your movement with the little vocals in the back. Like right there, like listen to this. Wow. Like, you know, but you're still kind of just in your own world doing your connections there. It's like you gotta hit that wow. Wow. Right? So it's slowing down here. Boom. You hear that? Boom. Everything's dying out. There's nothing, bro. There's nothing. But you're doing a lot. You're doing a lot right here. But there's barely anything. Right? So, like, you gotta break it into pieces. You gotta come back to symmetry and play, storytelling, play with your form. Okay, you got that part. It's like, this is so much like, okay, Altoh. Listen to this song. Right here. From here. What do you see, bro? You guys ready for it? I'll be back. All right, VL. What do you see? When you hear this song right now, what do you see? Are you able to create an imagery in your mind? Static? I can't tell if that's serious. Static. Like, you could be building a segment of your moves with this part of the song, and then when it picks up, you do an even more advanced version of what you just built. Because it picks up here, right? So we're in tech, and then change, boom, right? But we're still in tech. You see what I'm saying? So there's still parts of the structure of the song where we need to change due to the song. Tech is getting way better though, bro. Keep it up. It's picking up again, man. It's picking up. You need a crowd pleaser during this part here. Like something that just makes the audience go, what the fuck just happened? King tutting is nuts. You've got a lot of fluidity within your king tuts. When it comes to song choice for a show, I try to envision what a character in a show would be doing while the song is playing. That's a great practice. I guess for it's easier for others because I know there are some Glovers like when they, or not Glovers, well, people, when they hear music, nothing happens. But there are some people where they hear music and they just imagine, like they could easily visually see something. And I wanted to ask Altoh to see if he was one of the people who are easily able to see a visual image when he hears a song, because what I like to do, for me, it's really easy to create a visual based off hearing a song, because when I see a visual, you can incorporate motion. Like, okay, I'm thinking of a bird, obviously, okay? Like, okay, I'm thinking of a bird. So, like, the bird has motion, right? The bird has, like, these longer movements and this floating movement, and that you incorporate that with any form that you got. And then, like, the visual just helps with the movement because you can relate the visual to a movement, right? I like that little pop there and that hit. I think that, like, like, I get it. Like, I can understand, like, the technical movements really match with what's, like, a lot, because there's a lot going on in the song, right? So, like, the technical movements actually match that, like, a lot going on because there's a lot that goes on in tech, right? So I get it in that regard. I think now is just really taking it to the next level in terms of musicality and training your ear and, like, really hitting everything. Like, I told Stas about hit everything. Like, and that comes in time. That really just comes with training your ear. But yeah, good stuff, Altoh. Best submission so far. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off. Join the Gloving Academy Discord. Here you can share light shows and lab with other glovers from all around the world. We have an awesome community dedicated to helping each other improve. This is the only place in gloving where you can get rewarded with free gloving gear just by being active and participating in public events happening every month. I have already given out a handful of recharge packs, and all you have to do is be active within the Discord. We've got workshops, concept labs, competitions, and a growing library of free resources available no matter what skill level you are. And if you would like for me to do a frame-by-frame video of your light show, you can submit your video on the Discord. We're only going to get bigger and better from here, so follow the link in the description to join.